You do for fame. You came seeking power, a name the world will remember. But power demands blood, not gold, not land. Bring what you love most. Bring your beloved daughter.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to teach you how I create African folktales for free. Make sure you like and subscribe because I'll be sharing all the tricks and tips.
So, first of all, we need to start with our storyline. If you don't have a storyline, then we need to give ChatGPT this prompt. I want you to pause and read these prompts. After giving ChatGPT these prompts, ChatGPT will give us different kinds of story ideas. And I picked one in Igbo culture, ancestral versus the heart. Then I gave ChatGPT my story. If you don't have a story, you can start chats to help you develop one. I also gave it a description of how I want the story to be, how many scenes, the people involved, their ages, and more. You can pause and read what I gave ChatGPT. Then I told ChatGPT to give me the image prompts for each scene, and I said, make sure they're very detailed. As you can see, we now have our image prompts. Make sure you go through your image prompts to see if there is anything you would like to change or improve. Next, we will go to Meta AI. For image generation, one thing I like about Meta AI is that whenever you want to generate cinematic images, it's one of the best. It gives mid-journey vibes. So step 1, click on Create, then click on Aspect Ratio because I want a 16:9 aspect ratio, which is the YouTube size. Now we're going to copy the image prompts from ChatGPT and paste them into Meta AI. Each prompt gives you 4 generated images. So right now, we're going to paste in our prompts one after the other. Just in case you don't like the images, you can always tell ChatGPT to tweak the prompt. I am going to generate 5 images using this method. Here comes an important aspect. Whenever I want to lock in a character, or whenever I want to use an AI character to create multiple images, I just click on the plus button and upload the image. Then I use this prompt. Use this image as a reference. Once you upload your image and write use this image as a reference, the AI will automatically use that same likeness and resemblance to create multiple images. I am still generating my images because I have 5 images in total to generate. Now I have all 5 images ready. Let's convert the images from image to video. We are still going to use Meta AI, and it is free and unlimited. First of all, click on Create, then click on the Images button. You will see 2 options, Image and Video. Select Video, then upload the image we just created. After uploading your image, just write a simple prompt. Look at the kind of prompt. It's very simple. Right now, we are converting our image to video, and as you can see, I'm going to retake it because I don't like the first take. I retook it and I think I like the second one. As you can see, I already uploaded my second image. After uploading it, I wrote a simple prompt. The man and the cattle move forward slowly. Look at this. This is so beautiful. The cinematic details, everything is awesome. So let's keep going until we generate all 5 images. For the girl, I wrote, she wakes in terror, scanning the room as fear grips her. You don't need complicated prompts for Meta AI. You just need simple direction. We're going to do the same thing for all the images. Just give a simple prompt to convert them from image to video. Lastly, we're going to go to 11 Labs to customize our voiceover. Mind you, this is totally optional because I'm telling a story like this. I envisioned an elderly woman doing the voiceover, so I decided to customize the voice from scratch. Go to the website called 11 Labs, select Voice Design, and after selecting it, create a voice using a prompt. You paste how you want the voice to sound. After that, click on Generate Voice. You'll get 3 options. Listen to them one after the other and pick the one you prefer. Then give it a name so you can find it later. Next, paste your voiceover script, what you want the AI narrator to say. After pasting it, you can tweak it a little, like the speed and tone. Then click Generate. Next, upload your clips into CapCut and trim them. Remove the parts you don't want, keep the interesting ones, and cut out the boring parts. You can go to video effects and add things like zoom-ins or any effects you think will make the video more interesting. Next, we need sound. To bypass copyright, we're going to get our sound from a website called Pixabay. This website is 100% free. When you go there, search for a sound related to your video. Since I'm making a traditional ritual-style video, I searched for ritual chants. Pick any one you like, save it, and import it into CapCut. In CapCut, click on Sound, then from Device, and import the sound you downloaded. Also import the voiceover from 11 Labs and the sound you got from Pixabay. And you should end up with something like this. I share my exact prompts, free AI tools, and step-by-step breakdowns inside my AI community. Link is in the description.